Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 20th of April 2025 and I'll be going over my review of the last week of the SPY's front testing strategy. Day open, day close. Now I've been inactive since the 24th of March due to school exams, so I'm just going to be doing the review of the last week before this video. So on the 14th, the SPY opened technically for the weekend before. The close was 533.94. It opened at 544.05, resulting in a buy signal, giving us a loss of 0.906%. On the 15th, we had a buy signal, giving us a loss of another 0.383%. Then a sell signal on the 17th, giving us a profit of 1.128% and another loss from a buy signal on the 18th coming from of 0.234%. Now, our cumulative portfolio return went from 2.114% to 1.719%, bringing our alpha from negative 12.348 and somehow increasing to negative 11.353%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.